Sophia, you want to talk to the baby duckies?
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby duckies.
Uh-oh, hi, Yunga.
Boy, what color are the baby duckies?
Yellow.
Oh, yeah, the yellow and black.
Mama. Mama. Wow, mama.
Yeah, that's a lot of babies. I see a mama duck and papa duck. Which one's your favorite? Do you see? Where's Ming Ming?
Right there.
Which one's Ming Ming?
Ming.
You see Ming Ming? Can you sing a Ming Ming song?
Ming Ming, go get a daddy.
Say, we're Wonder Pets and we'll help you.
Num.
Yeah, they're diving for Num Num. They say, where's our Num Num? We want some Num Num.
Num, num, num.
Those cute little duckies?
I'm going home.
Yeah, okay, say bye-bye duckies.
Bye.
Bye-bye Ming Ming.
Bye, baby.
Go save some other pets.